Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. This is Natasha with Joanne's Garden. I am so excited to share this other plant that I have here on this evening. As you know, I like to collect coleus, and I have a stunning, beautiful plant, coleus plant, that you would absolutely love to put in your garden. It has mixed leaves. The colors we have, oh my goodness, we have green, we have yellow, we have magenta, we have that deep plum purple looking color, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's soft in texture. You can notice the rigid edges, absolutely stunning, and it definitely would just brighten up your garden. Now this also I put in the sunlight for 4 hours, and this one actually, it's already have multiple colors, so it really doesn't change colors. Being in the sun, morning sun that is, for 4 hours, it is absolutely stunning. This plant actually can grow I believe up to 3 feet and 18 to 3 feet wide and 3 feet in height. This particular plant I am going to overwinter because it's actually absolutely gorgeous, and I want to keep it. I don't want the frost and the cold air to destroy it, so I am actually going to bring this particular plant in. It is just absolutely stunning. So this right here, it is a Elfers Coleus, and it's just absolutely beautiful. It's almost, well, I always say that, like one of my favorites. I have quite a few favorites, but this is definitely one of them. If you definitely want a plant with multicolors, maybe you don't want a plant, I will do other videos on coleus that may not have as many colors as this one. This one actually is easy to maintain. It's easy to care for. The same thing with this one, for is making sure that you have water it. You feel the surface on it, maybe go 1/4 of an inch in it to see if it's dry, to provide water for it. But it is low maintenance, guys, and it's absolutely stunning. It just beautiful. You can place this maybe to like a lime, what's that, the pineapple Coleus plant, and it just, oh my goodness, them two plants go beautiful together. So yes, I hope that this video has been helpful. Have any questions, please put it in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you again on Joanne's Garden. Love you, be blessed.